Assalamu alaikum, dear guys. Today I'll discuss about vector related some equation which are like this. I have written on this whiteboard. Please just listen to me and hit to me, stick to me. Actually, first equation are equal to root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha. 2pq cos alpha. Here, alpha is the angle between two vector p and q. P and q. Okay, r is the resultant vector. Okay, question gives you, if your question gives you p q alpha, then you can find out the r. Simply, you can find out r. Another formula: tan theta equal to 2 sin alpha over p plus q cos alpha. P plus q cos alpha. I have said just now, alpha means angle between two vector p and q, and theta is the direction angle of resultant vector. That means r's. Okay, tan theta. If a question gives you alpha, p and q, you just find out the direction of resultant vector r. Actually, this angle between r and p. Okay, just remember this: r equal to root p square plus q square plus 2p cos alpha. Tan theta equal to q sin alpha over p plus q cos alpha. Just remember sin alpha as a numerator. Okay, cos of p plus q cos alpha denominator. Cos as a denominator, sin as a numerator. Just remember x equal to r cos alpha. This is actually resolution of vector, resultant vector r. If you find out the partition of resultant vector r along x-axis, this formula will be needed. X equal to r cos alpha. I said 2 times. Alpha means angle between two vector. R means resultant vector. Okay, if your question gives r and alpha, you can find out the resolution of resultant vector r along x-axis. But along y-axis, what will be the resolution? R sin alpha. Along y-axis, you will consider sin alpha. Just if your question give you r and alpha, you can find out the resolution of r vector along y-axis, vertical axis. Anyway, a is the magnitude of vector a. This is magnitude equal to root a x square plus a y square plus a z square. Okay, let me clear what is ax, what is ay, what is a z. A z is the magnitude of vector a along x-axis, and a y means magnitude of y, a vector along y-axis. Magnitude of a vector along z-axis is z. Okay. This formula very essential: a equal to root a x square plus a y square plus a z square. Now, unit vector, a unit vector. This is the symbol of unit vector. Okay, cap sign. A vector equal to a unit vector small a equal to a vector capital A and magnitude. Okay, such way magnitude is shown. Okay, this is the magnitude of vector A, and a vector means this way expressed ax I unit vector plus ay j unit vector plus az k unit vector. This is actually I unit vector, j unit vector, kz. Try to remember I unit vector along x-axis and j unit vector along y-axis and k unit vector along z-axis. And these are magnitude ax, ay, az. Just now I have said over root a x square plus a square plus a z. So this is the magnitude of vector a. And such way we can find out the magnitude of vector a. This is the actual equation: ax square plus a square plus a z square root. Now cos alpha equal to px over root px square plus pu square plus pz square. Just remember, cos alpha equal to px over root px square plus pu square plus pz square. Px we have considered due to alpha, but if question say asks you to find out beta, gamma, then you can consider another magnitude py pz. Okay, let I will explain this. Just remember, cos alpha equal to px over root px square plus pu square plus pz square. Now simple algebra such as a vector plus b vector equal to a vector plus b vector equal to ax plus bx. I unit vector plus ay plus by bracket j unit vector plus az plus bz bracket k unit vector. Okay, this formula just remember. Okay, now dot product a vector dot b equal to ab cos theta. Here a is magnitude, b is magnitude. A arrow sign means vector a, b arrow sign means vector b, and this is dot. Okay, look at the whiteboard dot. That's what is called dot product. Okay, and if a question gives you a magnitude a, b, or theta, then you can find out a dot b. Same thing. Again, a dot b equal to ax, bx plus ay, by plus az, bz. Very important. Let's remember this. A vector dot b vector equal to ax, bx plus ay, by plus az, bz. Okay. Now, I unit vector dot I unit vector equal to j dot j equal to k unit vector dot k unit vector equal to y. Just remember this. I dot I equal to j dot j unit vector equal to k dot k unit vector equal to y. Again, I dot j unit vector j dot k unit vector equal to k unit vector dot I vector equal to 0. Why? It has become 1 and 0. I may explain, but later I will do that. Okay. Again I say a vector dot b vector equal to ab cos theta, a vector dot b vector equal to ax bx plus ay bz by plus az bz. I explain what is x, what is bx, what is ay, what is just before term. Okay. Now I dot j equal to j dot j equal to k dot k equal to 1. I dot j equal to k dot k equal to k dot I equal to 0. Okay. Now these are actually I have said the equation related to dot product. Now cross product related equation I may explain. A cross b equal to ab sin theta. I said the previous equation. A means magnitude, b means magnitude, theta means angle between vector a and b. A cross b. Look at this sine cross. That is why it is called cross product. A cross product b equal to ab sin theta. We can write down a into cos b equal to this. Okay, I unit vector, j unit vector, k unit vector, ax, ay, az, bx, by, z. Okay. Again, I say a vector cos b vector equal to I, j, k, ax, ay, az, bx, by, z. This is actually determinant. Okay. I unit vector cos I unit vector equal to j unit vector cos j unit vector equal to k unit vector cos k unit vector equal to 0. Okay, this you have to remember. I unit vector cos I unit vector equal to j unit vector cos j unit vector equal to k unit vector cos k unit vector equal to 0. This is the cross product relation. Okay. Now come to the area. Area of triangle. Okay, when you find out the area of triangle by the vector, you just apply this formula half a cos b. Here a vector b vector are the adjacent edges of the triangle. Adjacent edge. Suppose this is a vector, this is diagonal, and a vector this, b vector this. We can find out the area such way. Okay. Area of parallelogram equal to half p vector cos p vector. When you use this formula, half p vector cos this p vector and q vector mean the diagonal of the parallelogram. Suppose this diagonal and this diagonal. Okay. If this diagonal a, if this diagonal b, sorry, here I have used p. That's why we mentioned p. Suppose this is p vector. Okay. And we can apply this formula half p vector cos q vector. Area of parallelogram equal to a vector cos b vector. A vector cos b vector. Actually, this equation you will use when the question gives you the adjacent edges of the parallelogram. A vector b vector. This is adjacent, not triangle. That's why you have to use this formula. A vector cos b vector. Finally, a vector dot b vector cos c vector equal to ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz. cx, cy, cz. Just remember this formula. Again, I say a vector dot b vector cos c vector equal to ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz, cx, cy, cz. Okay, dear students, dear guys, these are very important and significant equations related to the vector, which are very essential for doing the mathematics, for doing the creative question. Okay, and very important are equal to root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha tan theta equal to q sin alpha over p plus q cos alpha x equal to r cos alpha y equal to r sin alpha, a equal to root x square plus a square plus az square, a unit vector equal to a vector over magnitude of vector a equal to axi plus ayj plus azk unit vector root ax square plus a square plus az square cos alpha equal to px over px square root px square plus pa square plus pz square. Simple algebra. A vector plus b vector equal to ax plus bx bracket I unit vector plus ay plus by j unit vector plus az plus bz bracket k unit vector. Dot product a vector dot b equal to a cos theta. Again, you can write a vector dot b vector equal to x bx plus ay by plus az bz. I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k equal to 1. I dot j equal to j dot k equal to k dot I equal to 0. A vector cos product b vector equal to a b sin theta. A vector cos b vector equal to I j k third bracket. Just determinant sign I j k x a y a z bx by bz. I unit vector cos I unit vector equal to j unit vector cos j unit vector equal to k unit vector cos product k unit vector equal to 0. Area of triangle half determinant sign a vector cos b vector, area of parallelogram half p vector cos q vector, area of parallelogram a vector cos b vector. Okay, and you have to take this magnitude actually. We need magnitude. And finally, a vector dot b vector cos c vector equal to ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz, cx, cy, cz. Just remember this. Okay, later I'll give a vector calculus related equation. Okay, thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.